Hey guys, Rhett here down in Birmingham. What's going on? At a client's property under contract. These guys have been working their tails off. Daniel and Tanner, I'm super fired up for you guys. Let's head on in. So guys, we're in Birmingham. This is a 3-bedroom property that I think is gonna rent somewhere between $1,200 and $1,300 a month. We walk in, immediately we are in the laundry room. So guys, we're also around back. The front of the home, we gotta put a new door on it, so we can't get in that way. This is the back of the house. So we're coming in through the back. Everything looks good in here, guys. Paint looks really good, windows look good. We have our washer and dryer hookups. The dryer hookup is stuffed right now. Make sure nothing can come in that shouldn't be. We have our hot water, our cold water, okay, and our drain. So guys, coming in here to the kitchen, okay, looks pretty good. Cabinets look good, sink looks good. We're looking pretty good. We'll put our oven right here, put our refrigerator right there. There is space in here for storage, so we don't have to add any more cupboards. So we're good there. So guys, overall, I mean, we're looking pretty good. We have a little porch patio off the back of the house, really cool. Nice big backyard that's fenced in the back. So guys, really like it so far. So kitchen looks great. No work needs to be done in here. We come through here and we are gonna go straight, okay, into bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 looks really good. Now, one thing that we do need, guys, throughout this whole house, we need all new light fixtures, okay? That's number 1. There is some touch-up paint work that needs to be done throughout the whole house, okay? We're gonna do that. Another issue with this whole house. Whoever's getting it ready to sell, put all new electrical outlets in it, okay? So guys, these are brand new outlets, brand new face plates, brand new outlets, okay? The problem is they're 3-prong outlets. This house does not have grounded electricity. So we have to go through this whole house. This house is filled with outlets. I mean, look at this. Who does this? I mean, we got a double outlet right there. We have to go through, we have to pull all these outlets out and replace every single outlet for a 2-prong because we can't have 3-prong ungrounded outlets. They will fail inspection, okay? Guys, bedroom number 1 looks good. Bedroom number 2, again, looks really good, okay? It's hardwood, original hardwood floors, look great. We have a huge closet in here that will be fantastic, okay? Really good. Okay, guys? All this stuff is fine. The windows work. We're in good shape here. Again, need some touch-up paint work on the ceiling and a new light fixture. And guys, this is the problem, okay? So we need touch-up paint work on the ceiling because the ceiling is coming in because we have an active leak in the roof. Multiple active leaks. We need a new roof on the entire house. That's fresh, that's new, and the pressure is actually starting to break down the sheetrock, okay? We need to fix that, which we will. We'll take that out, we'll put a new piece of sheetrock in, we'll mud it, we'll paint it, but it needs a new roof. That is where all these issues are stemming from, okay? So guys, carpet in here is good. Carpet in the hallway, good, no problem. Do not need to rip this up. No issues there. We have a nice hall closet, okay? Now, coming in here, we're starting to see some more issues, okay? We have severe buckling of the floor, okay? Really bad. To the point where this has to kind of come up, okay? Now, what we're gonna end up doing is, and guys, I'll show you why it's doing this, but all this by the door is really badly rotted. You can actually see, I just stepped on the end, guys, and you could actually take this piece of hardwood and pull it up, okay? So, not good. That's what happens when you have such bad rot. The reason why this is rotted so bad is because this door doesn't actually keep any water out. And you guys can see there's significant daylight coming through on both of these doors, okay? Not really what we want. So what we have to do, guys, and if we do replace the hardwood, we have to cut the pieces out they're water damaged. We'll have to put new pieces in, we'll sand them and refinish them. What I think we should do, as this might be a constant exit and entry point, is we're just gonna cut all this out, okay? And we'll put some ceramic or we'll put some flooring down in front of the doors to kind of alleviate that. And then of course we have to come in here. The door is actually a nice steel door, but what we'll do is we'll come in here. All this is rotted out. We have to fix these. We have to redo these door frames, okay? Everything's rotted out. It's just not good. So we have to replace all that. Now, moving to the front of the house, okay? We have 2 smashed out windows here. We have to replace those windows, okay? We're gonna replace those windows, and otherwise, guys, in here, everything looks good. We've got some pressure coming in from water on some parts of the ceiling, which I don't like. But here, we have some floor damage. Now, this is kind of on that borderline of what we're gonna allow to look past, okay? So we're gonna be okay with that. There isn't any danger in that, okay? With that being said, we're into the angry bedroom. Whoever was in here was an angry person, okay? Yes, that's a good shot. So, we have a nice big hole in the door. We gotta replace this door, okay? We'll replace this ceiling fan. We gotta replace this door as well, okay, of our closet. Over here, I say this is an angry bedroom because there's holes in everything. We're missing both window panes here, so there's nothing there, okay? That's the reason we can't get into the front of the house. So both of these need to be replaced. We have cracks in here that need to be replaced. So guys, a lot of window panes need to be done. We need maybe an entirely new window here, but I think we can just get away with the glass on this. Otherwise, guys, you know, we're in really good shape here. I really like this. My issue with the roof is in terrible shape. The soffits are all in bad shape. There's exposed decking on the roof that all has to be replaced. We're looking at a really expensive roof job, which is kind of too bad because otherwise, you know, from a cosmetic standpoint, we're in and out of here fairly cheap. But you know, it's such a great house and it's got really cool accents, guys. I really, really like it. You know, I really love these. These are really cool. They're authentic, they're original. It's got crown molding in the house. It just looks really, really good. I'm so, so excited for these 2 young guys. Talking about guys who are in college, who are purchasing their first rental property. It's just so cool. So super happy for you guys. And I think this is gonna be a really, really great first rental. So guys, leave your questions and comments below. I'll get to all of them and we'll see you next time.